Hi, this video is about the bedside commode that also can be used over the toilet, and it has a drop arm feature for transfer and a padded seat and back. So when you get your drop arm commode, it comes fully assembled. It comes just like this. You'll get the backrest, then of course the bucket, the splash guard, and the lid. And so with the backrest off, I'm going to show you how to use it over the toilet. It's such a versatile commode to be able to use as a standalone, but also over the toilet. So I'm going to show you how to adjust the legs. You're going to want to adjust the legs for your desired height, but also when you're using it over the toilet, you'll want the legs adjusted at the highest level so it can fit over the toilet. So again, you'll want to use that option with the backrest off. Okay, so now I'm going to adjust the legs, and it's so easy to do. So we just have a push button design. You're going to depress the button, pull on the tube, and you're going to have that button lock out in the desired hole height. All right, now I have all four legs adjusted to the highest position hole. And now at this height, I can put it over the toilet. And here you will use the splash guard. The lid just comes up to install the splash guard or the bucket. And now you can use it as an over-the-toilet commode. All right. And then as a bedside commode, and with the back is so easy to install as well. It's also the push-button design. So go ahead and turn it over. And then similarly, you have the push button here. You're just going to insert it into the back tubes, push the button, and then you will see 3 holes beneath the frame here. You just push it in and it'll snap in place. All right, now the backrest is installed. So now as a standalone bedside commode, you're going to use the bucket. So again, lift up the seat, and you have the bucket with the lid and the handle, and it just goes in place just like that. So the feature that I love about this commode is this drop arm feature. These are padded, comfortable arms, and it's so easy to drop this arm down to transfer somebody in. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you have this red release button here. Just press it, and now that makes it so easy to transfer the user in. The other great feature about this commode is the very, very comfortable, thick, padded seat and backrest. And of course, with all of Nova's products, it comes with our care, use, and maintenance information and our customer service information, so you can contact us anytime.